Hi, I'm John Francis Mangaran from BSHM 3B. Um, there are some questions that I need to answer in this video, which is the plot. Number one question, identify the crisis stage. There are four phases of crisis stage, which is mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery. Number two question is describe each crisis stage by answering the what, who, where, why, and how of each stages. So what happened in this movie? There is a storm that brings a flood in whole London. Who are responsible in managing the crisis? The Prime Minister is responsible to protect their people. So there is a crisis management na sumusunod sa kanyang utos. And sa crisis management na ito, is may isang commissioner na kung saan siya ang nagmamanage um, siya yung nagmamanage ng crisis na ito, and meron siyang kasama na two couple who named Sam and Rob, which is an engineering and also the father of Rob. The plan in this movie is to lower the barrier, the outgoing tide, pulling it back down the estuary. How can they do that? There is an one person who need to sacrifice him or her life to do the plan, and this person is a father of Rob, and they successfully lowered the barrier. Number three question: what is the worst happened and how it was addressed or solved or responded? The worst happened in this movie is a whole London affected by the flood, and there is more lives is in danger. They solved it by opening the barrier, but there is one person risk him life or risk him life to for the safety of everyone. And last question, what do you learn or realize from the movie and relate it to your role as future HM manager? I learned in this movie is crisis is inevitable or hindi talaga inaasahan kung kailan mangyayari. So, we need to be prepared to prevent it. As a future HM manager, I need to learn how to manage my team to easily manage our plan to make it successful. And yun lang, thank you.